And let's bring in 4029's Robert Suhr for a look at the weather. Those frost blankets might come into handy tonight.
Well, I mean, yes and no. I mean, we're dealing more with a freeze than a frost.
Okay.
Freeze is the worst of the two. And once we get into hard freeze territory, there's really nothing that's going to save it. It's just going to be over if you don't bring it in. So keep that in mind. There's a look at Fayetteville, raindrops on the camera. We are finally at the very back edge of all of this rainfall for what has been most likely our wettest weekend of the year for the most part. 52 today in Fayetteville, well below where we should be for this time of the year at 66. Fort Smith, wet roadways. I did see a couple of social media posts of a couple people claiming they saw a couple flurries in Alma. I don't know if I buy that. It may have just been the light reflecting off the raindrops. 54 today in Fort Smith, well below where we should be, which is 71. There's that freeze warning for northwest Arkansas as well as northern Johnson County. That's through tomorrow morning. Nothing for the immediate Fort Smith Van Buren area. The freeze watch that you see here for southern Johnson, Logan, and Scott County, that is for tomorrow night. That's what that one is talking about. So nothing for those counties tonight, but definitely that freeze warning for northwest Arkansas. And the next couple of mornings, freezes are a sure thing, a certainty, I would say. Monday morning, Tuesday, and Wednesday morning, maybe even Thursday morning. Remember, hard killing freeze, you got to be at or below 27. So that's the threshold for the real danger for freeze. The best chance for a freeze in the River Valley, I think, will be Wednesday morning, but can't roll out Tuesday morning, maybe Thursday morning as well. Temperatures right now, you can see that cooler air continuing to penetrate its way deep into Arkansas and points south. 38 in Fayetteville, but still 52 in southeast Arkansas. Closer to home, you can see for your neighborhood, it's chilly. Temperatures in the 30s, 40s in the River Valley, 43 in Alma. That's why I'm not really buying the flurry activity. But you can see that final ribbon of rainfall pressing out of northwest Arkansas, heavier band of rain moving toward the Fort Smith area. This might be a little bit of what we call bright banding. The sweep of the radar is a little bit higher up, and it's picking up some of those snowflakes and things like that higher up, making it look like it's worse than it is. That band of rain moves through, maybe ending here. You see Madison County, a little bit of a mix possible. That is certainly not out of the question by tomorrow morning. Most of the rain off to the east, and we're just left with a pretty sunny but very cold day. Definitely winter jacket weather throughout the day on Monday, Monday night, and even Tuesday morning with temperatures deep into the 20s and lower 30s. And that's where we'll be tonight. That's why we've got that freeze warning for northwest Arkansas, especially. And temperatures tomorrow going almost nowhere. Very chilly day despite lots of sunshine. And then you can see the rest of the week really not looking too bad. Lots of sunshine. It's going to take a couple of days to get this cold out of here. Cold, dense air does not like to move very quickly. It's not like warm air, which can kind of be transient and get in and out relatively quickly. But we do start to warm up as we get toward next weekend, back to where we should be for this time of the year. And then River Valley, multiple impact mornings because of the freezing conditions. And then, we get past Wednesday, things really start to warm up, Jacob, and we are, about where we should be for this time of the year by next weekend.